Herbert Peabody and the Rainbow Roast Chips. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. We've been to the greengrocer today to gather the ingredients we need for our Rainbow Roast Chips. Hooray! Let's head outside to the garden. We see the bees are working hard. We chat with our neighbour until the bees are done and harvest rosemary from our yard. Now it's time to make our rainbow roast chips. Orange sweet potato is first in line. Then a creamy white potato will make our rainbow look super fine. Golden pumpkin comes next. A grown-up chops it with care. Now for some red beetroot to give our rainbow flair. Let's add crunch to our rainbow roast chips. We pour olive oil this way and mix it well to coat every chip. Now they're ready for the oven tray. Look at our colourful rainbow. Rosemary adds a splash of green. We grind pepper and salt to taste. This is the yummiest rainbow we've seen. We heat up the oven on a high heat, ready for our rainbow roast chips to cook. Let's enjoy a teapot tea while we wait. And now our rainbow is ready. Take a look. We take our kitchen tongs and serve our rainbow roast chips from the tray. And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.